Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna make chapati of Mahdia. It's basically a dough and we can put in it like cream cheese, harissa and tuna and eggs. So first of all we need to prepare the dough. So for the dough we need 5 grams of yeast with 5 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of milk and a pinch of salt, and we need 100 milliliter of water. Okay, let's prepare the dough. First of all, we need to put a little bit of water in our yeast and sugar. Okay. We mix it. Okay. We pour it aside. Now we put salt in the flour, like a teaspoon. After the milk and the oil. And we mix just a bit. Now we add the yeast. And the water. We maybe need some more water, so we'll see after. Okay, I already washed my hand. Now we need to dip in with our hands. Okay. Okay, so now we need to work the dough. I'm gonna put over my counter, and we put some flour, not too much. Okay. My dough is ready, so we need to let it rest for 30 minutes, and then we can separate the balls. We can make 6 balls out of this. I'm gonna pour it here, and we need a bit of oil, not too much, so it doesn't stick. And we put a bit over it, and we need to let it rest for 30 minutes. Okay guys, so after 30 minutes our dough is ready. I'm gonna make 6 balls out of it. Okay, I prepared the 6 balls. Now we need to let them rest for 15 minutes, and we can cook them. So the dough is ready. Now we need to stretch the dough with this and after this we need to put the ingredient over the dough and then close it and put it on the pan, and we cook it over a medium-high fire. We put some oil on our counter like this, and then we put our dough on the oil, Okay, and we stretch it. Okay, so for the toppings, we need cheese, cream cheese like that. We need harissa. We need 1 egg, tuna. Okay, we need to put the cheese. Now we put just some harissa, not too much. If you don't like harissa, you don't pour it. If you don't like hot, don't pour it. Okay, that's enough. And then we need to open the cheese like that with the harissa. Okay. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention that if you want, you can put grilled salad or salad مشوية. You can find the recipe on the channel. I will put a card in here. It's very tasty. It's basically green pepper with tomato, onions, and garlic. Okay. And then we put the eggs, and then we put some tuna. Okay. Now we close it like that. And we transfer it to a pan, like I said, over a fire of medium to high. Okay, not too high, like that is okay. And then we take our chapati and pour it over the pan. Like that. We cook it about 5 to 8 minutes on each side. Okay, so now we need to flip it. Let it cook over the side, the other side, and then we cook it like that to cook this side. Okay, so now we cook this side like that. Okay guys, so our chapati is ready, as you can see. So let's taste it. Let's cut it in half. As you can see, it cooked all the way. Okay, let's taste it. It is really good. Very tasty. It's hot. Oh my god. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like it. And see you next time. Bye bye.